I'm gonna have to use one of the pictures I had already taken. My arthritis has been flaring up all day, and I look at this. Well, don't look at it, but I mean, look at it. I mean, don't. But you know, like, it's fine. Just wanted to update you for number 6. Yeah, for day number 6, I'm gonna scoot it over a day because tomorrow, I still don't know which pictures, but tomorrow I'm gonna use some that I had already taken. Yeah. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. Bye. Welcome to my stairs. This is where I will be doing this stairs challenge. I want to get it out of the way because, like I said, I'm home alone right now, but later on, I don't want people walking down the stairs on me and me taking pictures. It's just awkward. Let me do my art in privacy. You can see the after results. Yeah, so all I did for my makeup was apply a little bit of mascara. This, I don't know what color it is. It's just like a red, brick red. I had bought a bunch of wigs and now's the time to use them. I will say I want this to be my actual hair. Like, I love this color, but right now that I'm looking at myself, I feel like those 40-year-old country singers, and I feel like those 40-year-old country singers, I don't know, it's fine. It's fine. I like it, so I'm just gonna see what comes out of this. Right now, I'm gonna do these stair pictures just to see what I come up with. I don't really take body pictures, so this is also going to help me to, I guess, see myself a little bit better. But yeah, I think that's all for right now. I will see you in the next part. I don't know about those stair pictures. I guess I'll see once I edit them. But yeah, that was really quick. That took me like 10 minutes because I usually record when I can't like take picture by picture and set timers and stuff. I just record and then I screenshot from the video, and I haven't seen the videos, so we'll know if it was a hit or miss. And I really want to take this off because the wig is so hot and I'm like sweating, so I don't know if that's gonna come out in the pictures as well. Right now I'm gonna go fill the bathtub to do the other one. Hopefully that's a little bit fresher because I can't right now. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is filling the tub. I'm not gonna fill it all the way, just halfway. And I brought some milk. I looked it up and you're supposed to add the milk afterwards because if not, it'll form bubbles and stuff, and I don't want bubbles. So these are the flowers that I'm gonna be using. It was part of this other thing that I was gonna do, but I never did it, so I'm gonna use it here. It's mainly pink flowers, and I did separate a few so it could have individual. I was gonna cut random petals off of it, but I didn't want it to be too, I don't know. I thought it was gonna look weird. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I think that's enough water. And yeah, let's add the milk. Actually, let me bring it closer so you can see what it's gonna look like. Okay, so, oh, it's warm. So now I'm gonna get my water and just I don't know if I should have added more, but I think that's fine. It's gonna cloud up. Yeah, I should go get more, but I don't want to add too much. Okay, let me go do that, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like when I already put the flowers and everything. Okay, lesson learned. These flowers were from the Dollar Tree, so when I put them on, they're gonna sink down. Oh, hopefully not. But I had to take out the dark looking ones because it started leaving so much tint, and it already tinted the water, and I quickly took them out. So I don't think I'm gonna use those dark colored ones, but just these where are they? just this color, the light pink ones. Okay, let me set up and then I'll see you when I'm in here. I put the water too hot. It's fine, okay. I think I'm gonna stay here for a bit. Okay, so this one was a flop and a half. I am going to just chill here for a bit, just to rethink everything that I'm doing. But right now, I'm gonna wait till nighttime comes because the other shoot that I wanna do, I wanna focus more on artificial light. So I wanted to have like a green light and a blue light in the background and the water colored. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna take a break, maybe look back at the footage and see what I can salvage from it. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. So for this one, I already filled my tub with enough water and I'm gonna put food coloring in it to give it, well, color. I want to go with a green color in this photo shoot. I'm gonna use one of my lights that is able to turn colors. I'm gonna just use a bunch of green lighting. And yeah, that's just what I'm gonna do for this one. Dang, I should have done a closer shot. Okay, so this is the setup. I am gonna see what I can do with it because, yeah. I'll see you in the next bit. Hello, welcome back to day number, dang, what day are we in? What is it today? Today is September 8th. I took a set of pictures earlier, but right now, at this very moment, I'll be working on the challenge that I had originally pulled out from the cup. So that's what we're gonna do. It's the one with glass and water, colored water. So for that, I had seen a video or a TikTok or on Pinterest, and I tried finding it, but I can't find it anymore. So you'll see what the results, what I mean by that. And that's what's this. Let me bring it close. Oh. So glass, and I put it on a stand. I taped it very, very DIY because I couldn't find a clamp, and it's already 8:04 p.m. and I should have done this earlier, but I took a nap. Okay, so this is gonna be the look for the photos that we'll be taking in a second. Like I said, that's the thing that we're gonna be using. I'll show you the setup once it's over. I just wanted to explain to you how it's going to work. I ran into a problem. So I knew that there was gonna be some glare, but I didn't know it was gonna be that bad. Let me figure it out, and when I do, I'll let you know what I did. I put a light on that side, and this camera is at an angle that doesn't reflect on the mirror. So let's just see how it's gonna look when I spray water. Okay, well, I guess this is just the plain. I guess this is to be playing around with. I put a towel, and I think I'm gonna be here a while. I'll probably show you like a sped up version of this. If not, I'll just show you the results and explain after. This is harder than I thought it would be, but I got it to this position and I'm just spraying water on my side. So it's a lot of playing around with. So if you have the time, you should make time so you can have fun experimenting with self-portraits. I want to try putting my face against it, but I'm scared and I don't want to ruin it. But I already took enough without doing that, so I guess now I can experiment. I tried, but I don't know. It doesn't look as good as I thought that it would look. Okay, so I think I took enough for what it is because I feel like I could have used a bigger glass frame, but I got this at the Dollar Tree because it was something quick, you know? I tried using colored water, like the watercolors. I just dipped the brush and then put it back in here just to see, but it just came out like weird, like not colored at all. Well, a little bit, but you couldn't really tell. So yeah, that was fun. Okay, so challenge for tomorrow, which would be September 9th. Yes, tomorrow, September 9th. I shook it right. Double exposure. I've been thinking about that a lot because okay, I'll leave that for tomorrow. But yeah, I'll see you in the next bit. Bye. Excuse the lighting, but I already sat down and I don't want to get up. I'm going to take the double exposure pictures. I looked up on how to do it easier, but for me, because I have this camera, it's my Sony ZV-1 camera, it doesn't have the feature that others do that allows you to take double exposure pictures from the camera itself. So for me, I would have to just take a bunch of pictures and just make sure that the camera is still and I am still, just so it won't actually, I think double exposure is just to be free, you know, like got two good pictures, combine them together and just lower the opacity on one of them, or I'll do a video on how I exactly do them. But for right now, I really need to take the pictures and I liked this light that it's providing. So I'm gonna take advantage of that and I'll check back with you. I'm not gonna do any makeup for this, and yeah, because these are more like, you know, plus I don't have a lot of energy at the moment, so let's do what we can with what we have, because this is what the challenge is. Okay, I did want to say that for the double exposure photos, I'll try and make a tutorial on how I made them, because it is the first time that I've done double exposure photography like that. But I did want to notice that I don't use things that I have to pay for, but once I edited the pictures on Lightroom, I don't know, something felt a little off. They look fine. I don't know. I personally, I would have liked some other thing on it, but I didn't want to play around with it too much because I had already liked how they came out. So I did end up purchasing Dazcam. I'll put of the thing, that how it looks. Dashcam, it's basically like filters of certain types of camera for your iPhone. And what I like about it is that you can import photos to that camera film. Does that make sense? So from this, I went to this, and I feel like that film feature just added so much more to it. You can do it for free and like Pixar, yeah, but you would just have to get like overlays and then play around with it, and I could have done that, but it's just too much. But when I make the video on how I edited my pictures, I'll probably like include on how to do it for free, so you can see like the two options that you could have. Okay, I think that's it. Let's move on to the next segment. Parezco un churro.